complaining about your conditioning or just observing where your conditioning isn't what you want it to be, I think you should start with these. Let's do 20 reps, all 4 directions. And then this can be like a starting point of every one of your practices to help you get conditioned. And you could do this one of 2 ways. You could either do it with nothing in your hands, which might be a good way to start if you're concerned about being able to get through them. Or you could do it with your poi in your hand because it does add the extra weight. We'll do overhand, underhand, and then the 2 opposite directions. Let's start with the right hand up, and we'll do 20 reps. Here we go. Forward, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Strong core. 12. You're smiling. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, reverse, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, both arms down. We'll bring the right one forward like this first. So here we go, right front, both up, right back, both down, right front, both up, right back, both down, 3, down, 4, and down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, feel that burn, 18, oops, 19, 20, I think I did an extra one, go the other way. So left front, both up, left back, both down, left front, both up, left back, both down, 3, 4, 5, keep smiling, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The reason I recommend you start with that is because you can do that anywhere. You don't need your poi. And if you try, I would recommend, if you really want to up your flower game, I recommend you try doing that once a day, every day for the next month. Just those, I mean, what is that, 20, 40, 60, 80 reps? Just those 80 reps will probably help you significantly to have done that every single day. And then if it gets too easy, either do 2 sets of 15 of each one twice a day, right? So 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, or up the number of reps from 20 to something more than that. I think you actually probably get more value though doing 2 sets in the day of, even if it's only 2 sets of 15. So I think that'll help you with the core and arm issues. You could up it even more by holding your fire poi because they're even heavier than your LED poi. I'd say you could use a weight, but the problem with using a weight is you really do need to slow down a little bit, and I think you want to be doing it more at the pace of what you would actually be doing with the poi. So slower may be better in this context.